So in order to explain how a vacuum works, we must first explain how a fan works. So, a fan works by rotating several blades, which are all slightly bent off center in the same orientation. This forces air particles to move in on one side of the fan and to be pushed outward on the opposite side. The displacement of new fresh air is what you feel when a fan blows on you. Conversely, the other end of the fan sucks in the air, which, as you may have guessed, is how a vacuum sucks in air and dust particles. Inside of the vacuum is a fan with a motor, generally powered by plugging the vacuum into a socket in a wall in your home. The fan is positioned so that dust is sucked in through the opening in the vacuum towards the fan. The fan, however, is covered by a thick woven screen which prevents dust from reaching the fan itself. There is also at least one fine filter in order to trap tiny particles, invisible to the naked eye. This system is how dust, food, and other household messes are trapped in the bag or container. However, due to the fan's exhaust, or the end that blows air, the vacuum needs exhaust ports in order to expel the air after it has been cleaned. Without exhaust ports, the vacuum would only function until the bag is full, so it is vital to the vacuum working properly for a long period of time. Something else to note is that you can increase the suction power of the vacuum by adding on a smaller attachment. The smaller the attachment, the stronger the vacuum will suck, since the vacuum still wants to suck in the same amount of air into a decreased surface area. To summarize, a vacuum works by way of an internal fan. This fan is powered by a motor which generally gets its power from an outlet in your home. Although it should be noted that smaller handheld vacuums sometimes house chargeable or even replaceable batteries to power it. The fan sucks in air and dust which is trapped inside with a series of screens and filters. Cleaned air is then released from the vacuum via one or several exhaust ports in order to continue air circulation. The vacuum's suction power can also be increased by using a smaller attachment on the vacuum. Once the cleaning has been finished, the bag or container can be removed in order to dispose of the dust and other waste that the vacuum has collected. After replacing the bag or container onto the vacuum, it is ready to be stored away, awaiting its next usage. So yes, in conclusion, this is how a dishwasher works.